Okay, this is a tutorial for the 12th of Never. It's for a student of mine named Jerry. It's in the key of D because he's going to capo 1 and sing it in E flat. So when you capo 1 and you sing it in E flat, your starting note becomes B flat. So it's this note. You ask how much I love you, but we're going to do it in D without the capo, just so you can get the chords down. So the chords that are involved in this bad boy, sorry, I'm having a hard time getting this all squared away. Okay, chords involved in this are D, okay, B flat, or B minor, so bar that second fret, and then your ring finger, third finger is on the fourth string, fourth fret. Hang on a second, I'll lower this down. Okay, perfect. Okay, then G, then E minor 7th, which is a great chord. It's 1 and it's 0, 2, 0, 2 on the third string. Okay. And then A7, and then we have G flat or F sharp 7. There's a couple of ways to play that. You can play first finger is on the A string, first fret, second finger is on the F sharp on the E string, so that's second fret, third finger is on the third fret, fourth string, pinky is on the fourth fret of the third string. So it's 3, 4, 2, 1. That is G flat or F sharp 7. Or I bar it, and so I bar, play an F, and add the 7. Okay. And then we have an E7 in here. And I want to say, I think that's it. Hang on a second. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so at the beginning, you ask how much, so that's D, B minor, I love you, must, G, I, explain, D, A7, I need you, O, D, my darling, like roses need rain. So from E minor 7th, slide right over to your A7. You ask how long, D, I love you, I'll tell you, E minor 7th, true, A7. Okay, until B minor, the 12th of G, never. E minor 7th, I'll still A7th, be loving you, D. Okay, then the B part, hold me close, so it's E7, hold, A7, me close, close as D. You're gonna go E minor, A7, D again. Never let me go. Now here's your G flat 7, hold me close, B minor. Now melt, E7, melt my heart. Now A7, like April snow. So it's A7, E minor 7, A7. Okay. Then you come back to the A part again. I love you, D, till the B minor, bluebells, G, forget to bloom, D. A7, I love you till the D, clover, E minor 7th has lost its A7, perfume. Actually, it's on the it's on the fume of perfume. You go to A7. Okay. Now just stay on the A7 even though it says E minor 7th. I'll love you till, now D, the poets Now it's going to go E minor 7th to A 7th on the word rhyme. I'll love you till the poets run out of rhyme. G flat 7 until the 12th. It's very quick. That would be G flat 7 to B minor. But what you can do is you can come off that A, that run out of rhyme until you can do right. Just go right to your B minor until the 12th G of never. And then E minor 7th, and that's a long, long A7 time. Then the last part, again, B minor, until the 12th G of never. E minor 7th, and this is the hold, and E minor 7th, and that's, now this is A9, which is playing A7, and then this finger or this finger is going to go on the A string on the 2nd fret. And then you go right to A7 times. So that last line goes B minor until the 12th of G minor G. And that's a long, long time. More time. You can do it with the last 3 fingers because you're coming off A7. Okay. So again, that goes until the 12th of never. And that's a long, long time. And that's the whole song. And then when you capo it up 1 and put it into E flat, because playing in E flat, especially for someone that's kind of a beginner, is really horrible. Let's see, and your note would be you ask. Let's see, you ask how much I love you. Would I explain? Etc., etc., etc. So that's what it would be capoed up. It's let's see. I have to move this up here a little bit because I'm reading off my computer. Okay, so it would be capoed up. You ask how much I need you. Must I explain? I need you, oh my darling, like roses need rain. You ask how much I love you, I'll tell you true. Until the 12th of never, I'll still be loving you. Hold me close, never let me go. Hold me close, melt my heart like April snow. I'll love you till the bluebells forget to bloom. I'll love you till the clover has lost its perfume. I'll love you till the poets run out of rhyme. Until the 12th of never, and that's a long, long time. Until the 12th of never, and that's a long, long time. So that's basically how it goes. I hope this helps. And it is the 12th of never in the key of D, capoed 1 to put it into E flat.